Convert a Python type object to a string. I'm wondering how to convert a Python type object into a string using Python's reflective capabilities. For example, I'd like to print the type of an object.
If that doesn't suit you, use this. Example. Also, it seems there are differences with type when using new style classes versus old style, that is, inheritance from object. For a new style class, type SumObject._name_ returns the name, and for old style classes it returns instance.
What do you mean by convert into a string? You can define your own repr and str_ methods. Or I don't know, please add explanations, smile.
Or in case you want to use str and a custom str method. This also works for repr.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.